Welcome to Hypebeast News and this is Amulu Katragadda. PM Modi speaks to Qatar Emir, task force to be set up to boost Qatari investments into India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Qatar's Emir Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani on Tuesday vowed to boost bilateral cooperation in the fields of investment flows and energy security and decided to create a special task force to further facilitate investments by the Gulf country into India. In a telephonic conversation, Modi conveyed his felicitations to the Qatar Emir for the forthcoming National Day of Qatar, the Prime Minister's office said in a statement. While thanking Prime Minister Modi for the greetings, the Emir appreciated the enthusiasm with which the Indian community in Qatar participates in the National Day celebrations. He also conveyed warm greetings to Modi for the recent Diwali festival. The two leaders discussed the robust cooperation between both countries in the fields of investment flows and energy security and reviewed recent positive developments in this regard, the PMO said. They decided to create a special task force to further facilitate investments by Qatar Investment Authority into India and also resolved to explore Qatari investments in the entire energy value chain in India, the statement said. The leaders agreed to remain in regular touch and looked forward to meeting in person after the normalization of the public health situation caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, the PMO said. Thanks for watching Hypebeast News.